Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel where we learn English through inspiring stories. Today, we are going to talk about the amazing life of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. His story will help you improve your spoken English and speak English confidently. Let's begin. Imagine a small boy from a simple family who sold newspapers to help his parents, but one day became the President of India. That boy was Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. His story shows us that dreams can come true with hard work and perseverance. If he could do it, you can too. And while listening to his story, you will practice English speaking skills every day. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was born on October 15, 1931, in a small town called Rameswaram in Tamil Nadu, India. He came from a humble family. His father was a boat owner, and his mother was a kind homemaker. They were not rich, but they taught him important values like honesty, kindness, and hard work. As a child, Kalam faced many difficulties. His family became poor after some business problems. To support his family, young Kalam started selling newspapers. He would wake up early in the morning, collect newspapers from the train station, and deliver them to houses. Even though life was tough, he never gave up on his studies. Let me teach you some useful sentences from his childhood story. Repeat after me slowly. I come from a simple family. Say it out loud. I come from a simple family. Good. Now, I faced many difficulties, but I never gave up. Repeat. I faced many difficulties, but I never gave up. Excellent. These sentences use simple past tense, which is great for telling stories. Practice saying them to improve your spoken English. Kalam was a curious boy. He loved watching birds fly in the sky. This made him dream about flying machines. He studied hard in school. His teachers noticed his interest in science and mathematics. One of his teachers told him, "If you work hard, you can achieve anything." Here's a key phrase: dream big and work hard. Repeat, dream big and work hard. This is motivational and easy to remember. Use it when you talk about your goals. It will help you speak English confidently. After school, Kalam went to college. He studied physics and then aeronautical engineering at the Madras Institute of Technology. He was not the top student, but he was dedicated. He worked day and night to learn. Now, let's practice some vocabulary. The word dedicated means giving full effort to something. Sentence, Kalam was dedicated to his studies. Repeat, Kalam was dedicated to his studies. Another word, perseverance. It means not giving up even when things are hard. Say, perseverance is important for success. Repeat that. After college, Kalam joined the Defense Research and Development Organization, or DRDO. Later, he moved to the Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO. There, he worked on India's first satellite launch vehicle called SLV-3. In 1980, under his leadership, India successfully launched the Rohini satellite into space. This was a big achievement for our country. Repeat this sentence. India successfully launched a satellite. Say it. India successfully launched a satellite. Now add more. This was a big achievement. Full sentence. This was a big achievement for India. Practice this to build longer sentences in spoken English. Because of his work on rockets and satellites, people started calling him the Missile Man of India. In the 1980s, Kalam led the Integrated Guided Missile Program. He helped develop important missiles like Prithvi and Agni. These made India's defense stronger. Let me share one of his famous quotes. If you want to shine like the sun, first burn like the sun. It means if you want success, you must work very hard. Repeat the quote slowly. If you want to shine like the sun, first burn like the sun. Now explain it in your own words. It means hard work is necessary for success. Say that out loud. This is great English speaking practice. In 1998, Kalam played a key role in India's nuclear tests at Pokhran. These tests showed the world that India is strong and capable. He always said these weapons were for peace, to protect our country. Vocabulary time? Capable means having the ability to do something. Sentence: Kalam believed young people are capable of great things. Repeat: young people are capable of great things. Use this when talking about yourself to speak English confidently.
In 2002, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam became the 11th President of India. He was called the People's President because he was simple and close to everyone, especially students. As president, he traveled across the country and met thousands of young people. He inspired them to dream big. One of his best quotes for students: "Dream, dream, dream. Dreams transform into thoughts, and thoughts result in action." Repeat: dream, dream, dream. Dreams transform into thoughts, and thoughts result in action. This quote is perfect for motivation. Say it every day to improve your English pronunciation and fluency. During his presidency, Kalam created Technology Vision 2020. It was a plan to make India a developed nation by using science and technology. He focused on education, health, and agriculture. Let's practice describing plans. Sentence: Kalam had a vision for India's future. Repeat. Now, he wanted better education for everyone. Say, he wanted better education for everyone. These sentences use wanted in past tense, common in storytelling. After his term as president ended in 2007, Kalam did not rest. He went back to teaching. He visited schools and colleges, talking to students. He wrote many books, like Wings of Fire, his autobiography, and Ignited Minds. These books inspire millions to learn English, dream big, and work hard. Another quote: "Learning gives creativity. Creativity leads to thinking. Thinking provides knowledge. Knowledge makes you great." Repeat slowly. Learning gives creativity. Creativity leads to thinking. Thinking provides knowledge. Knowledge makes you great. Break it into parts and practice. This chain of words helps you connect ideas in spoken English. Kalam believed in the power of education. He said, "If 4 things are followed, having a great aim, acquiring knowledge, hard work, and perseverance, then anything can be achieved." Let's practice this long sentence. First part: if you have a great aim. Continue: acquiring knowledge, hard work, and perseverance, full, then anything can be achieved. Repeat the whole quote. It's a bit long, but practicing it will really improve your English speaking skills. Even in his later years, Kalam kept inspiring youth. Sadly, on July 27, 2015, while giving a lecture to students at IIM Shillong, he passed away. He was doing what he loved most, teaching and motivating young minds. His life teaches us many lessons. From a newspaper boy to the president, he showed that background does not matter. What matters is effort and belief in yourself. Now let's do some speaking practice together. I will say a sentence from his story, and you pause the video to repeat it, then say it in your own words. First, Kalam sold newspapers to help his family. Repeat. Now your words. As a child, he worked by selling newspapers. Second, he dreamed of flying and studied engineering. Repeat. Now your words. His interest in birds made him choose aeronautical engineering. Third,
Hard work made him the missile man of India. Repeat. Now your words. Because of dedication, he developed missiles for India. Fourth, as president, he inspired students. Repeat. Now your words. He was known as the people's president. Great job. Doing this regularly is the best English speaking practice. Let me share more quotes to motivate you. You have to dream before your dreams can come true. Repeat and think about your own dreams. Failure will never overtake me if my determination to succeed is strong enough. Means don't fear failure. Repeat it. All of us do not have equal talent, but all of us have an equal opportunity to develop our talents. Say this to build confidence. Dr. Kalam's story is perfect for anyone who wants to learn English through inspiring stories. His simple life, big dreams, and endless hard work show the path to success. Remember, every day, practice speaking. Tell his story to a friend or record yourself. This will help you improve English speaking every day. If you liked this video and want to speak English confidently, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Comment below one quote from Kalam that you like the most and practice saying it in a full sentence. For example, my favorite quote is "Dream, dream, dream," because it motivates me to think big. Thank you for watching. Keep dreaming, keep learning, and keep practicing spoken English. See you in the next story. Goodbye.